So there's a number of people that have been telling me that they've been automatically registered for VAT, by SARS. So what is happening is that if your revenue is over R1,000,000 and you're not yet registered for VAT, SARS is gonna register for you automatically. When they look at the records and they can see that you've been trading and you're generating more than 1 million, they're gonna register you automatically. And what they're gonna do, they're gonna backdate the liability period. Let's say, for example, you started qualifying for VAT, meaning that you've been generating over R1,000,000 per annum in 2001. So it means that now they're going to backdate your VAT to 2001 or 2003, whenever that you started qualifying for VAT. And now you will have to submit the return taking into account the VAT element. So they'll assume that at that time, because you were qualifying for VAT, it means that all the invoices that you've been issuing out, you were including the output VAT. So if you were not, then it means that you might have a liability that you'll have to pay to South African Revenue Services. So if you haven't registered, make sure that you register for VAT. It is compulsory if you are generating R1,000,000 or more. It is compulsory. It's not a choice. It's compulsory. You must register for VAT.